morning, students, today we will do lesson number 28, the world of Harry Potter. Now children, you must have heard about Harry Potter series and its author J.K. Rowling. And these novels, Harry Potter novels, there are 7 series and they have been mentioned in your book, and they are published between 1997 and 2007. Now here we will deal with some of the questions which are related to Harry Potter series about the characters who are in these novels. Now we begin with the first one. What is common to Aragog, Fang, Fluffy, Norbert and Buckbeak? Now children, all these are pets of Rebus Hagrid. These are characters in the novel and the names of the characters are given, and these are pets of Rebus Hagrid. Second one, to hide the fact that Harry Potter was at Hogwarts, where did Vernon Dursley, Harry's uncle, claimed he was studying? Now, his uncle claimed that he was studying in St. Brutus because it was a secure center for incurable criminal boys. Now, the third one, after Cornelius Fudge failed to admit that Voldemort was back, who replaced him as the Minister of Magic? Now it was replaced by Rufus Squibble. Next one, a simple one. Who was the half-blood prince? It is Severus Snape. Complete name is Severus Snape. Next one, what was the result of Harry Potter using the Patronus charm to fend off an attack by Dementors at Little Winged? Now the answer is he was expelled from Hogwarts. The result was that he was expelled from Hogwarts. Now all these are mentioned in the stories. Since we haven't read all the Harry Potter series, we may not be able to understand the context of the lesson. But if you go through the series, if you start reading, you will come across these characters, these names mentioned in the novels. Next one, if you unscramble the word, I am Lord Voldemort, what do you get? We get Voldemort's true identity, Tom Marvolo Riddle. Next one, what was Dumbledore referring to when he said, show us nothing more or less than the deepest, most desperate desire of our hearts? Now children, the thing which is referred to is Mirror of Erised. Next one, what is being defined? A receptacle in which a dark wizard has hidden a fragment of his soul for the purpose of attaining immortality. Now the answer is Horcrux. Next one, ninth one. The curse with which Voldemort tried to kill Harry Potter as a child was the same spell that Severus Snape used to kill Dumbledore. Name the killer curse. The killer curse is Avada Kedavra curse. abracadabra curse. Children, we come to the 10th question now. Who served as a Quidditch commentator using his ears at Hogwarts? Answer is Lee Jordan. Now children, in some of the new books you will find 2 more questions which I have written for you. 11th question is lacewing flies, leeches, powdered bicorn horn, knot grass, fluxweed shredded, boomslang skin, and a bit of the person you want to turn into are the 7 ingredients needed to make which potion? Now that is called polyjuice potion. Now polyjuice is something which the consumer, if he consumes in magical stories, he can assume physical appearance of another person. Now the 12th one. The visitor's entrance to the Ministry of Magic is an abandoned red telephone booth in London. What is so special about 5-digit password code 62442 you must dial to get in? Now the speciality about this code is it transported witches and wizards to the ministry. Now children, we come to the footnote. The first Harry Potter book was released as Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone in the United States because it was felt that the American readers would not be able to comprehend philosopher. The books are published by Bloomsbury in England and Scholastic in the United States. Now children, that's all about Harry Potter. Now we come to lesson number 29. The better thing to do. Think and answer these questions. Now children, here certain situations are given. You have to think according to the situation and take the right decision. You are in a car with your parents and your 12-year-old brother. Where should your brother be seated? Now the answer is he should be seated in the back seat. Next one. You accidentally broke a cup in a store, but no one noticed. You do not have enough money to pay for it. What will you do? Quietly slip away? Inform the store manager and promise to bring the money the next day? And the third one, call one of the contacts in the phone. Now children, the correct answer is C. Call one of the contacts in the phone. Next one. Third one. You are on a school picnic when suddenly you realize that you have moved away from your classmate and cannot find them. What will you do? Now children, the answer will be try to find your way back. You will try to find your way back. Now, fourth one, you want a pet dog, but your mother objects saying that you are not responsible enough to look after it. What would you do? Now, you have to prove that you are a responsible individual, you will take care of your pet. So, the answer will be try to show your mother that you are a responsible individual by doing chores around the house. Next one, fifth one. You have been selected for your class play as the lead actor. Your best friend wanted that role but has now stopped talking to you. What would you do? Now, what will be sort the issue with your friend by talking to him or her. Now children, in some of the new editions of GK book, second question is different. The one which I have given is in the previous edition. Now the new edition book contains this question about which I have given you the answer at the end, sixth one. You sit in a taxi and find a mobile phone left by an earlier passenger on the seat. What should you do? You should leave it there, call one of the contacts in the phone. Now children, in the mobile phone, various contacts are there. So you can call one of the contacts in the phone and know about the owner of the phone and return it back. Now children, that's all for today's lesson. You will copy down the answers and send me your work. Thank you children.